Hi friends, welcome to Omnitix Labs. Are you interested in doing experiments and playing with electronics? Here we are introducing Electronics Junior Scientist Lab Kit. This is for the students of 3rd to 10th class and this is 100% safe to do experiments. Feeling excited? Let's see what's there inside. Kit consisting of 8 electronic modules, a DC fan, a battery clip, connecting wires and a breadboard. Now let's have a look into the electronic modules. There are 8 electronic modules: a fire sensor, an IR sensor, a switch module, a LED module, light sensor, buzzer module, transistor module and touch sensor. Of these 8 modules, we have 4 sensors: IR sensor, touch sensor, light sensor and fire sensor. We have 2 output devices, LED module and buzzer module. You can consider DC fan also as an output device. We have 2 controlling modules, one is transistor module and another is switch module. Let's see an example project what we can do with these modules. For example, I am going to do a simple electric circuit. First, let's connect the battery clip to the breadboard and connect the battery to the clip. Now, let's take the switch module and connect in breadboard. Now let's take the LED module and insert in breadboard. We have connecting wires to give connections and make a closed circuit. Let's connect positive terminal to the switch and from switch to LED. Now I am connecting this wire to red LED. Let's close the circuit by giving connection from negative of LED module to the negative of battery. Let's check whether the simple circuit is working or not. Just by pressing the push button, we can see whether the light is turning on or not. To make it constant and make a complete closed path, we can use the slide switch which is present in switch module. By turning it on, we can see that LED is glowing continuously. We can check with yellow LED also by changing the pin. We can take extra wire and give power supply to another LED. We can turn on all 3 LEDs at a time in a parallel connection. This is how you can do different type of experiments by using different combination of these modules. Along with this kit, we are giving a worksheet which gives explanation about all the concepts related to this Junior Scientist Lab Kit. Here is the introduction page and you have table of contents. This is section 1 where it explains the concepts of electricity like voltage, current, power, resistance, power sources, loads, closed and open circuit, energy conservation and their definitions. In section 2, we have introduction about basic electronic components like slide switch, LED, resistor, buzzer, DC motor, transistor, variable resistor and their detailed information. In section 3, we have details about list of modules present in the kit like LED module, buzzer module, transistor, IR sensor, touch sensor and all, including the information about how to use the breadboard and how to give connections on breadboard. In section 4, we have given list of experiments. We have provided only 25 experiments here, but with the combination of these modules, you can do n number of experiments. For example, the experiments what you can do is slide switch and LED function, IR sensor in daylight, light sensor with fan, touch to turn on light, false fire alarm and so many things. Along with this list, in the section 4, we are providing a worksheet. In this worksheet, you have empty columns where after doing your experiment, you have to fill the information. These worksheets helps you to improve your writing and grammar skills. After completing this worksheet, you can send a pic of this to verify with us. If you do any mistakes in this worksheet, we will going to rectify you through online. And in the final, we have list of projects. We have given only 25 projects. For example, light sensor circuit, dark sensor circuit, mini fire extinguisher, distance measuring with IR sensor, motion detection project, water tank overflow detector project, and so on. You can do any number of projects with the combination of these modules. We are not going to provide complete details about these projects in the workbook, but you can visit our YouTube channel to see the videos on how to do these projects. To buy this kit, you can WhatsApp us to 93910-93397 or 9030-360031, or else you can click on the link given in the below description. Just don't learn the electronics. Do experiments with it and play with the science. See you back in the next experiment.